Today, we're transforming complex house price predictions into an informative and eye-catching Tableau dashboard, empowering you to navigate the real estate market with data-driven insights. First, we need to connect to our data, which comes from a machine learning model. We'll select the Connect to Data option in Tableau. In our case, we are going to connect to a flat file representing a CSV or Excel sheet with our house price data and our model predictions. Then we'll select the appropriate file. After selecting the file, Tableau will automatically recognize the columns. Now, let's examine our data, which contains features like location, size, number of bedrooms, and also the model's predicted house price. Now, we'll drag the necessary fields from our data source pane into the sheet area. We are going to drag actual price, as well as the predicted price, and other feature variable will be used in other sheets. Next, we'll create a scatterplot to visualize the relationship between the actual house prices and the predicted prices. This will help us assess the model's accuracy. We'll drag actual price to the rows shelf and predicted price to the columns shelf immediately. We can see a scatterplot appearing. We encourage you to color this by location by dragging the location field to the color mark in the marks card. We may also use a trend line to observe the correlation between the actual and predicted prices. Just go to the Analytics pane and drag trend line into the chart, and be sure to select linear. Let's create another sheet that shows a bar chart representing the average house price predictions across different locations, allowing us to quickly identify high-value areas. Select the New Sheet button at the bottom. Drag the location field to the rows and predicted price to the columns. Then, in the Marks card, change mark type to bar to sort by price. We will press the Sort button. Let's add a third sheet showing a map to examine geographical trends. Using the location data and predicted prices, create a new sheet. Double-click on Location in the Data pane, converting the features to geographical coordinates. Then, drag the predicted price to the color mark in the Marks card. By using this, we now have an interactive map. Now, let's tie it all together. Create a new dashboard. We'll drag our three sheets, the scatterplot, the bar chart, and the map, onto the dashboard. Resize them, arrange them to create a cohesive and easy to understand layout. Finally, increase your dashboard's interactivity. Add a filter for the location field to the scatterplot and bar chart, so you can filter by location to see specific insights. Your Tableau dashboard is complete. Now fully visualizing the house price predictions, this will allow for data-driven decisions to be made in real estate.